Hi, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is How to Unlock Spanish, and my name is Estar. This is the first thing I wanted to share with you about the reading paper of the GCSE Spanish exam. And this video applies to foundation tier as well as higher tier. You will find these 5 expressions on the paper. And the thing is that some of them are not included in any topic in particular, so sometimes it's not really easy to come across them when you are revising. I'm going to upload new videos in the future about the reading paper as well as the other papers. So in this reading series there will be more videos about little tips, easy to learn and very fast to learn and very effective. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and then you will receive a message, a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Well, let's dive in and see the first expression. Hace falta. Hace falta means it is needed, but we also use it saying we need something. So if I say me hace falta, is I need. Okay, so this expression is very important that you know what it means, because really, when it's in a reading, it's going to mean the lack of something, and you have to be aware that the following thing is not a positive thing, it's something that is missing. So me hace falta would be I need, te hace falta, you need, le hace falta, he or she needs. As you can see, this works like a gustar verb. So me hace falta un boli is I need a pen. If I say me hacen falta los libros is I need the books. So I have to say hacen instead of hace. But in a reading, you will only need to recognize it. If you want to use it in your speaking or your writing, just conjugate it like a gustar verb. Me hace falta, le hace falta, les hace falta. You can also find falta when you are talking about the environment, saying, for example, la falta de agua or la falta de comida. That would be the lack of water or the lack of food. Let's move to the following expression. Expression number 2 is me da miedo, for example. So da miedo would be it scares. Y me da miedo is it scares me. We have a similar expression to expression number 1 because it works like a gustar verb. So we just have to conjugate it the same. So me da miedo el COVID o me dan miedo las serpientes o me dan miedo los perros. A él le da miedo volar. A ellos les dan miedo los aviones. This expression, you can also use it to say something makes you hungry or makes you hot. For example, me da hambre ver la comida. O este jersey me da mucho calor. Me da calor. So, when you are talking about the uniform, for example, you can say, mi uniforme es muy cómodo, pero me da mucho calor en verano. Expression number 3 is se me da bien. Se me da bien means I'm good at. Por ejemplo, se me da bien cocinar. I'm good at cooking. Se me da bien, this third expression is going to work like expression number 1 and expression number 2. It's a gustar verb. So we can say, se me da bien trabajar con los números. Se me dan bien las matemáticas. A él se le da bien el alpinismo. We can also use this expression instead of with bien with some other adverbs. For example, se me da mal montar en bicicleta. Se me da fatal la química. Se me da fenomenal dibujar. Expression number 4. Me llevo bien con mi familia. I get along with my family. Me llevo bien is reflexive. So we need to say me llevo bien con or te llevas bien con if it's you get along with. Se lleva bien con, he or she gets along with. If we don't get along, we may say me llevo mal, me llevo fatal, me llevo fenomenal. But remember, this is a reflexive verb. We have to use me llevo, te llevas, se lleva, nos llevamos, os lleváis, se llevan. So the verb is conjugated. It's not like a gustar verb. This is a reflexive verb. to see more about llevar and the different meanings of this verb llevar, you can click here in this link to see the video about llevar verb and its conjugation and different meanings. It's a very useful verb. Very useful expressions as well are me molesta, me fastidia, which mean annoys me, and which behaves like a gustar verb. Me molesta mi hermana, te molesta la música, le molesta trabajar. And finally, the last expression number 5, estar harto de, to be sick of, to be fed up of. Por ejemplo, estoy harta de estudiar. I'm fed up of studying. Like, I cannot bear it anymore. I cannot put up with it. So we just revised 5 very important expressions, very different the way we say it in English and Spanish, which are hace falta, it is needed, or me hace falta trabajar, I need to work. 2, me da miedo la película, the movie scares me. Expression number 3, se me da bien cantar, I'm good at singing. Expression number 4, me llevo bien con mi madre, I get along with my mom. Expression number 5, estoy harta de este ruido, I'm fed up of this noise. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to get updated and be aware of anything new that we upload. And don't forget, you can visit www.howtounlockspanish.com, where you can find a section about the GCSE exam and GCSE content and tips and tricks. So thank you for being with us, and I see you very soon.